Hello. Today we have a backspacer. And I thought maybe it'd be cool to put it on this flipperless Bowie. It's got the antique scales, but the battle green's pretty close. So let's do it. Let's do that. I wonder if I can do it without taking the pivot off. Stick this in here. Kind of keep those in place. I'm gonna guess no. I'm gonna have to take off the pivot. Let's give it a spin. Let's do this. The backspacer replaces the barrels. Just let them fall out. Go in here. A little bit of a contrast. I can just wiggle it all in there. Without taking the whole thing apart. Probably. One. That one. Two. Three. I'd like to apologize. I know it said this is a destruction spine whack test with the backspacer, but I'd like to apologize that that was a lie. It's not who I am. That's not what this channel represents. And moving forward, I will not lie about the content of the videos. Look at that. We did it. Didn't have to take off the pivot. That's nice and snug. Got some extra parts in my little kit now. Actually, I'll just use this bag again. There it is. XM-18 flipperless buoy. Got a titanium battle green backspacer. Guess it's a little greener than the antique. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Doesn't change the balance much. Maybe a little bit. I got this running on the bronze washer bearings. Whoop, hit the table. Yeah, I think that looks cool. Maybe if they put some more out, get one for my recurve. Kind of wanted the battle blue for the recurve, but they're pretty much out of these. Just had the green. Yeah, I think that looks good. Feels good. There's no gap there now. Exciting backspacer video. Nice. So yeah, like 2 days after I put the backspacer on the other knife, they came out with some more with the color that I wanted. So put the battle blue one into the recurve. Kind of a double feature backspacer video. Pretty exciting. It's a little bit of a brighter blue than the scale, but maybe after time it'll wear down and match up a little better. I like the feel of the backspacers on these. Kind of takes that gap out. Feels a little better in your palm. Thanks for watching.